this is called Northern Sea Route, and it is believed that the tonnage, which used to be 41,000 tons in this sector via Russia, has now increased to close to 2 to 3 million tons by 2024. And this is where this route is now emerging as a very important alternative to Panama and an interesting route between Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean. So what you have to understand and note is that a route between Pacific and Atlantic previously used to exist between or hugging the US and the Canadian coast, but that was mostly considered to be extremely expensive and unvaluable. On the other hand, the Northern Sea Route, which is now emerging, is considered to be a game changer, which can in turn change everything with regards to it reduces the time by close to 10 to 15 days if a ship has to travel between the Pacific and the Atlantic. And we already know how much traffic goes through Panama. It can actually go down. Now, other than the sea route itself, the Northern Sea Route also is a potential area of natural resources.
अरे भाई
which
देखो
is, it is believed that 13%
क्या गंदा ट्रैफिक है।
all undiscovered oil, 30% of all undiscovered natural gas, and 20% of natural gas liquids along with coal is actually available in this sector, and the melting of the ice itself leads to this area becoming an economic hotspot. So this is where I started. It is an ecological hotspot already, very sensitive biome that way. However, the problem is that with economic opportunity coming through, all logic with regards to ecology has been thrown out of the window. And what has now come into the forefront is this: how can everything change in that regard?
अरे भाई ये लोग सीधा राइट एंगल टर्न लेते हैं। इन लोग का तो लोहा गाड़ी है, रुकने का नाम ही नहीं लेते हैं भाई ये लोग। देखो देखो हट जा भाई मेरे, मेरा नाम नहीं ले रहा।
Because most of these reserves are on the Russian coast.
अरे यार
what have we trying to establish?
क्या कर रहे हैं भाई ये लोग?
This is what this Arctic Circle
गजब मतलब जाम कर दिया था भाई लोगों ने।
Importance people are talking about in the news nowadays is, and I hope
पब्लिक ड्यूटी करते हुए
for India,
अच्छा लगा इनका,
for Asia,
तुरंत एक्शन में आए भाई।
This is a very interesting
ये होता है,
very interesting
देखो
but there is an ecological
ये जनाब ये दीदी।
So first tell me, do you understand what do I mean by Northern Sea Route? What is this potential route which is developing? What is the importance of it in that regard? And how it can forever change how we trade in the world? Because then I'll talk about how India wants to harness. The 3 to 4 parts to this article. First article is based on this only. So we have successfully established one thing, which is the fact that
उस तरफ कार देखने में मजा आता है, दिखता है बाहर से कैसा चल रहा है, मजा आता है। चलो ज़्यादा बचपना हो गया।
Now this Northern Sea Route which I am talking about, NSR as it is called, with 12% rate of shrinking of the Arctic ice as of right now, with rising sea levels, the tonnage has already gone up from 41,000 tons to 37 million tons in 2024. So 2 to 3 tons per day is being taken from this sector, and this is a major jump in that. Major jump. What is needed is icebreaker ships and an understanding on how to go through the what we call as sector in the most safest way possible. So when we talk about icebreaker ships, when we talk about the potentiality, you need an understanding of the Northern Sea at least. So this NSR route, you need an understanding which mostly the Russians have. Now, as India tried to tap into,
चलो भाई एंड करते हैं, मिलते हैं गाइस, बाय बाय।